being steeped in the Doris-Lessing Canopus in Argos space epics, I have absorbed such ideas almost osmotically about 30 years ago. I assume that there are such possibilities as parallel realities ad infinitum, where, say, every Schrodinger's cat has at least 9 lives in fully consummated potential. For those who don't know about Schrodinger's cat, I quote from Wikipedia: a cat, along with a flask containing a poison, is placed in a box, sealed box, shielded against environmentally introduced quantum decoherence. If a Geiger counter detects radiation, then the flask is shattered, releasing the poison which kills the cat. Quantum mechanics suggests that after a while the cat is simultaneously alive and dead. Yet, when we look at the box, we see the cat either alive or dead, not a mixture of alive and dead. End of quote. A vibrating violin string has nodal points which ring a wholly different chain of harmonics depending on the pitch of the fundamental. My string playing days are firmly nailed to the barn door, but I can sing for you an example of Mongolian szgyt. The whole series changes chromatically as the fundamental changes. In life, it seems possible to change deeply ingrained habits, such as smoking, at such crossover points. The fundamental karmic fate stays the same, but it is possible to maneuver within that particular timeline. Of course, it all depends on the individual's relationship to the absolute and the willingness to die to one's self-habit. There are many such nodal points where it is possible to step in and out of such timelines and to avoid the karmic overload accumulated during a particular lifetime. New moon is such a stress-free point to give up, say, smoking, and such a time is chosen by thieves and lovers for their activities on such moonless nights. But what has become tipped over like a tipping chair in a football arena has a sell-by date. Thus, it has proven very difficult to work, for example, with my multiple sclerosis. After 12 years, I had to retire from my very demanding job in a symphony orchestra, and eventually, on the millennium, finally glide about in what the French call an élégance, a wheelchair.